Opticom Priority Control as a Service, or PCaaS, is a unique solution that offers the benefits of traditional priority control without the hassle of purchasing, installing, and maintaining the system. First responders enjoy faster, safer travel to emergencies, and transit operations become more efficient without the need for capital spending. PCaaS ensures that, in exchange for a predictable annual fee, your vehicles will get the green light when they need it. The service includes all necessary hardware, software, and services, including installation, maintenance, monitoring, repairs, and replacement. You don't need to worry about unpredictable expenses for the term of the agreement, which is typically 10 years. PCaaS offers the most flexible way to deploy Opticom Priority Control. Global Traffic Technologies will tailor your solution to your city's existing infrastructure and needs, along with deploying and maintaining the system over the life of the contract. Sometimes, it makes sense to design a distributed system with standalone hardware on the vehicle and at the intersection. But agencies with network connectivity can leverage GTT's cloud-based, centralized PCaaS solution. This may allow you to leverage existing infrastructure, eliminating the need for additional hardware on the vehicle or at the intersection. Many customers will likely get value from a hybrid approach, where certain intersections leverage a centralized solution while others rely on point-to-point communications. This can help existing Opticom customers migrate from more integrated solutions or support mutual aid. GTT's solutions engineers will work with you to create a solution that meets your needs and protects your previous infrastructure investments. For more information about Opticom PCaaS, visit gtt.com or contact your local sales rep today.